It's Eric, and today we're going to dive into working with the canvas in drawio. Whether you're starting out fresh or you're tweaking an existing project, understanding how to navigate and customize your canvas will make the workflow a lot smoother. Let's start with a blank canvas to explore all the customization and navigation options available in drawio. First up, let's look at customizing your canvas. Under the View category in the Diagram tab, you can toggle the grid on and off or switch unchecked Page View if you prefer an infinite canvas. Want a different background color? Just check the box and pick the color you want. You can also fine-tune the grid settings to suit your needs. Click on the grid settings icon and adjust the grid spaces and visibility. This makes it a lot easier to align your elements perfectly. Getting around the canvas is simple. Click and drag with the right mouse button or hold the space bar and use your primary mouse button to move around. To zoom in and out, hold the Alt key and scroll or use the magnifying glass icon. For precise placements, enable guides and rulers. These tools will help you line up elements exactly where you want them. Anytime you need to adjust the overall settings, just click on the canvas and ensure no shapes or connectors are selected. This displays the format panel on the right side of the canvas for easy access. To keep things neat, always make sure the snap grid is active. This makes shapes snap to the nearest grid point, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned. Made a mistake? No problem. You can quickly undo or redo your actions using the toolbar buttons or by pressing Ctrl-Z or Command-Z on the Mac and Ctrl-Y or Command-Shift-Y on the Mac. This feature is super handy for correcting errors on the fly. If you're working late or prefer a darker interface, switch to dark mode. Just click the sun icon in the top right corner and select dark. If you choose automatic, drawio will adjust according to your system settings. Once you're happy with your work, you can export the canvas in formats like PNG, JPEG, or PDF. This makes it easy to share your work with others. Now you know how to work with the canvas in drawio. In our next Drawio Academy video, we'll explore the menu, editor, and interface. See you there.